Today our chickens are going foraging for their new favorite healthy snack that's high in protein, mealworms. This 5-pound bag of dried wormies comes shipped to your door ready to satisfy your chickens, or even fish, lizards, turtles, turkeys, or even your weird dogs. This bag is 100% natural, non-GMO, and has no additives. It's just wormies. They have such a tasty smell that my husky was checking out the box before I even opened it. So needless to say, my chickens were super excited for snack time. You can feed them by hand, put them in a plate, or my favorite, sprinkle them around the yard, and let your chickens go forage for their own treats. Just a couple of handfuls will keep them entertained for hours. They get so happy when they find one, and it's so fun to watch. Not only is it a great activity for the chickens, but we try to introduce different veggies and treats to their diet to help with their egg production. These treats are high in protein and tailored to boost egg size and quality. It also encourages healthy feather growth and strengthens their immune system. Our chickens sat out and foraged for worms all the way till bedtime. Then when the sun went down, they all headed into their coop to go to bed. But this one changed her mind and ran back to get one more mouthful, then quickly ran back to the rest of the group. She liked it so much that she had to have just one more bite, and that was adorable. Then I let the huskies out, and they try to find any leftover worms. Not sure how I feel about this, but I still let the chickens out for a few hours before bed each night. I let them get fresh grass and snacks before bed. Then in the morning, our eggs are looking and tasting great, so I can't complain that our huskies want a bite too. Just shows how good these treats are to our farm friends. So if you'd like to get a tasty snack for your farm friends, these might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go hang out with my chickens some more. See ya!